class, I said these MOOC courses, online courses, students are now interested for those things. Moreover, it is becoming essential for coming days. So you need to have your own studio to develop. It is not like that you keep a mobile and it is not professionally, you won't be able to upload anywhere. Quality will not be good. So you need to have a multimedia studio, and almost all IITs they have. And 2 3 years back, we have established in our institute. So virtual centers for students recreation. You know that in VIT on daily basis, we organize program by the clubs and chapters. Students organize, and 18,500 students in pandemic they have registered, and they're doing this online dance, debate, singing. All these things are going on. So this is important. So that is why a virtual center is important to connect everybody. And the e-library, I have already said yesterday about the e-library. Then artificial intelligence, knowledge of artificial intelligence, and the application of artificial intelligence. Faculty members and staff members. I said that we always ignore non-teaching faculty and non-teaching staff. So they need to know about the application of artificial intelligence so that they can develop new things, new applications. As you know that artificial intelligence almost required for everything. So this kind of digital infrastructure ideally an institution should have for meeting the challenges of near future. And in addition, I am almost at the end. In addition, I would like to share one thing, that we ignore some of the things like green campus, clean campus, use of green energy, ensuring hygiene, making world-class infrastructure, modern buildings with all required facilities are essential for ensuring a quality culture in the campus. You see, nowadays government is giving ranking award, AICT, government means AICT, UGC, they are giving green campus award, clean campus award. So those things practices are very good. So that is why uh, you will see that infrastructure, not only a building, it has to be well equipped. That is, I have written with all required modern facilities required for students and teachers. So these are some of the things normally we don't discuss uh, while you discuss about quality. So quality is not just teaching and learning. A complete quality culture in the campus basically uh, create quality for everything, including teaching research. So quality in students' events and extracurricular activities. So this perfection, uh, it is very important in student events and extracurricular activities. Physical education. So and if you have a quality culture in that student events, then you will see that your students will get more awards, national awards, international awards, regional awards. So if you have that kind of quality practice for extracurricular activities in the campus. So quality assurance, the topic what we have discussed today, that is the result, and the points what I have discussed are the causes. So if we all can establish those points, those things, then quality in the campus will be assured. For some of the things I have intentionally not discussed because you have uh, already listened to in many occasions, including this FDP, like uh, teachers should be knowledgeable, teachers should be skillful, teachers should interact with the students, and teachers should follow the good quality books of quality publishers. Then teachers should upload quality material. So many common best practices are there, and of course we need to follow those things. Teachers need to have a good PhD. So all these things are duly considered, and we need to follow. In addition to that, some of the points are my thoughts I share today. To this, I would like to say thank you all. I think I have about 10 15 minutes time, because discussion is more important to make the things lively, and because these are so interesting topic that this we can discuss and we can learn from each other. That is why I kept some time also. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. Dear participants, if you have any queries, you may please put it forward to the research section. We have some 15 minutes time, so quickly if you could put forward your question.
Hello.
Yes, sir.
I am not related to the session, sir. Actually, the feedback form in different language it will be appeared to me. What can I do, sir?
Feedback form of
Sir, I'll do it.
feedback form of
No,
Karan,
ma'am,
sir,
it's
Yes,
absolutely
yes, ma'am.
right. I have just now filled it. It's
I'll
really
I'll recheck it, sir. I'll recheck it. Let me see. Can you try it once again, sir?
Yes, ma'am. I try it and tell you.
Thank you. Thank you. Any other questions with regards to the session that before sir would lead it forward?
one question I can see here. Could you please list? You have shared. I think Professor Amardeep, you have shared a wonderful way of, to improve citation. Thank you, sir. Could you please list out some more strategically important research areas? Uh, yeah, I can only share if I have expertise or know-how on that area. As for example, I said computer science, say in electronics, we say all of you know about that 5G, 6G communication. Then you see the nano electronics, nanoscale devices. People now are trying to get the alternative of MOSFET. Still in VLSI technology is a MOSFET. So trying to get alternative area like spin transistor, like single electron transistor, and different kind of MOSFET, say double gate, triple gate, all around gate, then what is called FinFET, CNT FET. These are some areas. So in electronics now, and in other areas also, the main strategic important area is study of stability and reliability. uh, so reliability is a very big issue, and if you see the reliability, then many things will come. One is RF stability. Another thing is that heat generation. You see now also, if you touch your mobile or laptop, you will see that feel the heat. So that is a very important area to reduce the heat in the server room. So that is why this is a very very important area, to reduce the heat. Actually is two types: generation of heat and dissipation of heat. So you need to work, you can work in both the things. So that is why these are some of the areas where I have some knowledge. But in so many areas, of course, you know better than me. And electronics, electrical. And in electrical, you see alternative sources of energy is the key. And some of the areas say solar, wind. This already it is slowly becoming outdated. So only the thing is that this what other alternative sources? Then you see electrical vehicle. Then you see
Hello?
the problems.
Sir, good morning, sir. This is
Hello, Elgin, Professor Elgin.
Sir, please continue. I think it
Yeah.
was.
So these are the some area. Actually, in all those areas, if I want to continue, it will take a lot of time. And so specifically, you actually you need to read the current magazines, good magazines, and computer science people, they can see Data Quest, PC Quest. Then electronics people in India, I'm saying Electronics for You is a good magazine. Then, of course, IEEE Spectrum is the best to know the strategically important areas. So for that, you need to be IEEE member. And top recent journals, last 6 months published papers in top journals. If you see, definitely you'll get the idea of the new areas. Thank you, sir.
So there is one more question been posed in the query chat box. In this highly demanding job, how does faculty members, especially female faculty, balance work and life?
Balance work.
Work and life.
Oh, very, very interesting question. Uh, I'm one simple thing I would like to share with you, that when you will work, you will give your 100% to work, and when you will be with your family or friends, you will give your 100% to your family and friends. Forget the rest world. When you will work, forget others, all other things. When you will go to class, just 50 or 60 minutes, completely forget the rest world. You are only for students. Actually, Leo Tolstoy is a great British writer. He has one article, 3 questions. Probably some of you know it. One question is that who is the most, what is the most important work? Means job. The most important job is, if you are with a person, he or she or that group is the most important people, and to do good for them is the most important task. You see, now I am with 90 about 90 88 people. For me, these 2 hours important, only this 88 people. I forgot the rest world. I am completely involved with you. But once I leave, I will completely forget you. In the sense, this lecture I will forget. I will be connecting in connection with you. That is different issue. But for today, this lecture I will forget after 11 o'clock. So that is why don't mix both. Once you mix, you see, now if I want to talk with my son or my wife, then I will miss things here. So that is why never mix 2 things. Whatever you do, give your 100%. I initially said be a full timer and dedicated. So if you are a professor, don't do other business. Give your 100% to that. So that is the way to manage. I personally, I'm very happy and in both the things. Yes, sir.
Thank you, sir. One more question has come up, sir. How can private HEIs ensure financial solvency? Most are registered as charitable institutions. Is it possible to collect the entire operating cost from students?
Means how to improve the financial solvency in a private institute? That is
Yes.
the question, no?
Yes, yes.
Or how to, yeah. One thing is that completely whatever the income from the institute, that full income need to be invested for the institute. The income should not go to anywhere else. Number 2, recently engineering is not a passion for the students and parents. recently last 3-4 years, so we have been seeing that, but many institutions are not getting students. So, but engineering colleges and other private institutions still actually initially it is challenging. Once you improve the quality, if people know that it's a quality institute, then income is not a problem. We are not facing much problem in income now. So only the thing is that initially you need to think for the long term plan. You see quality process is a long term plan. So but initially if you think that I will earn money now, and no, you need to invest. uh, you know this, there is a university called many universities nowadays that spending money year after year for the institute. So I agree that initially it's a very big challenge, that the financial solvency of an institute. But at the same time, we can try to get money from the government agency, from the NGO. But for that, we need expertise. Yeah, financial problem is there in most of the actually one reason is that we don't think the long term plan. This that to ensure, to make is what our founder actually he thought long back in 1984. It was a small college in a village, so his plan was big. So he is a son of a farmer. Actually, he is not a Tata Birla group people. So he gradually, whatever the earning, he invested all money for the institute. Not only money, it's all effort, time, everything. So it needs dedication. It takes some time and dedication. Then financially you'll be able to solve. Comfortable.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir. Is there any more
Yes.
questions from the participants? Not, we'll wind up, sir. So there is one more question come up. How to go about citation improvement through industry, industry associations, R&D facilities, government authorities?
How to go for citation with industry?
Citation improvement through industry, industry associations, R&D facilities, government authorities.
Yes. One thing is that there is a good chance to improve, to get more citations if you work with industry problems. The reason is, yesterday also I said, industries normally work in the current areas. They don't work outdated areas. So, but unfortunately, many industries of India are not doing research. But some of the industries are there, they have R&D facilities. So one thing is that industry, you need to work with industry to get more citations, and industry who are really doing research, not everybody. So in one upcoming areas, uh, getting number of citations more. Number two is government. You see, if you write a proposal to DST, DBT, or other agencies, normally they give money to the upcoming areas. They don't give money outdated areas. Again, you can ask me the how to get the idea of upcoming areas for a research fund from government. Again, I will tell you, you see, instead of IITs, you see foreign universities, what in which area they are working. In fact, IITs also get idea from foreign universities only. And already in those areas, if government, as for example, say solar energy, if we apply for a project in solar energy, government has already given money for this area at least to 100 people. So why the government will give again money to solar energy? So that is why you need to get the ideas from IEEE spectrum is the big source. Then foreign top universities in which areas they are working. So if you prepare a proposal and send to government of India, then that is a new area, and you will get fund also. So obviously you will get good publications. then obviously you'll get citations in those new areas. So in the government, this is the government now spending a lot of money in many areas, research areas. So you need to get the government fund to improve the. Government will not do anything for citation, but government will give you fund so that you can publish in good journals. And of course, government is another scope. I'm sure that some of you know it. Government is in every 3 months, government DST is giving money to visit abroad, except this pandemic. So to visit abroad universities, to attend conferences abroad, government is paying. So if you go abroad, as I have said, you can improve your international collaboration. It is not going abroad. It is going abroad to improve your international collaboration. Government is giving money for that. So if you can apply, many people of our institute, they got it. So you can increase citation for through collaborative work. So like that, government has many schemes, and in that way we can make use of government to improve the citation. And industry, I have already said. You see, Danfoss, we have made a friendship with Danfoss, and we are doing so many research work in upcoming areas with Danfoss. So like that, if you work in industry with industry problems, then chance of getting citation is more.
Yes, sir. Thank you. I guess there are no more questions in the chat box. So it's about time. We'll wind up the session, sir. Before winding up, I would like to express my sincere thanks to Dr. Parthash Malik, providing us with such an interesting and informative talk on student-centric learning and quality higher education. I'm grateful to you for taking time out of your busy schedule and being with us for 2 days of the event. It was a pleasure listening to you. On behalf of Cambridge College of Engineering, I thank you for sharing your knowledge. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Thank you all. Thank you, madam. Thank you, sir. Thank you all. Very glad to meet you all.
Thank you. Dear participants, we have come to the end of our session. I've posted the feedback link in the chat box. The next session will start at 11:15. Please reassemble in time. Thank you.